I know this looks bad. This is not sponsored. Promise. Today, we're going to be looking at the Trophyline Hyperlite platform. This platform will be our first try at actually climbing a tree. Measuring in at 12 by 12. It's got enough room for about a size 13 shoe. Should be fine with no real issue. It only weighs 2 pounds. And with a capacity of 300, I don't think you have much to worry about. I've already added some stealth strips to the edgings right here and here where there's metal to metal contact. Kind of quieted down, not by much. Each one comes with its own tree strap. It's a nice silent pull tension strap. No ratchets, no cable. As you can see, this is nice raised grip edgings all the way across. So least likely to slip. You have your adjusting screw to bring your spikes in just the right spot. Down on the edge, nice solid spikes to hold the tree. Once you get it in place, once you find your tree, strap it on nice and loose, and then give it a nice force to actually hold you against that tree. Now, we're going to be taking this out to the woods. By the woods, I mean the range, because I still have to practice today. We're going to try strapping this on and seeing how it goes. And with that, we will also be bringing out the Trophyline Nimbus Pro Saddle Kit. This is the full kit, and just to show you what each kit comes with, I've already got it on. With each kit, it will come with your actual saddle. I got this one in mossy oak. You get heavy duty buckles, belt strap, get it on there. No slide hooks, no bumbling strap or plastic anywhere on here. It's got its own cinch strap for lightweight. I think the full kit together weighs 4 pounds total on my hip. Comes with 2 side pouches. Also has your cable bridge line, 2 ropes, and 3 carabiners. What I have done, our bridge with its own Prusik knot, and put our loop on the right side. That's because it's how everyone seems to do it. If you have a preferred side or you're unsure, keeping it left because it keeps you alive would be the ideal thought. Take one of our carabiners, slip it through, detach. In preemptive fashion, so I have taken to getting 2 of these Ropeman 1 Ascenders lifeline. A Ropeman 1 for both sides. Cruise it, I mean, it's been good for many years for a lot of people, but I wanted to switch up to this because I used to do rock climbing and I trust this a lot more. Gonna take our line, put it on our left side, feed it through, pull our excess out, and boom. Good to go. I'm gonna show you what it looks like if you put this on wrong. All right. For argument's sake, it is on wrong right now. And I'll show you how you could figure that out. Get our carabiner through. Boom. Twist and lock. Say I'm in the tree. I'm hanging. I'm like, oh man, I don't feel very safe. I should pull in my slack. So I pull on my knot to get closer, be like, oh no, it's not moving. And if I put tension on it in the opposite direction, I'm falling away from the tree. See? Show it again. I'm up against a tree. I lean back and put tension. Oh no! Now I'm loose. That is not how it's supposed to go. So we're going to fix it. Show you how it's supposed to look. If you're unsure, just give it a tug before you climb. That way you're not worried about it later. Come up to my tree, wrap it all the way around, clip in to my hips. I'm like, oh man, I'm really far away. I just gotta grab my knot, give it a tug. That way I feel safe, right? Check it. It's not going anywhere. Now, since this is my lifeline, because this will keep me from falling during ascent and descent, I'm gonna put it here on my left pouch, feeding all of it in to the bottom. These pouches are deep. Get a nice little drawstring, lock it down, good to go. For my bridge, I want to keep it on the right, because it will be the last part that I actually need to put on. For our lineman rope, which actually holds us to the tree attached to the bridge, put it on the right way, grab our carabiner, give it a little feed, we are in. So with this, wrap it around our tree, give it a yank, take our bridge while standing perfectly still, attach to our actual bridge, pull ourselves up. Good to go, right? Since the way it looks for me, I'm going to put my bridge into the pouch first on my right side. I'm sure there's other ways. Find what's most comfortable for you. As long as everything's hooked up the way it's supposed to be, you should have little to nothing to worry about. 90% of all hunting accidents not involving a firearm come from people falling out of trees. Now that sounds terrible. There's a weight limit on these saddles of 300 pounds, which may sound like a lot, but it's the exact same weight as the Hyperlite platform. Most other platforms that I found do have close to or a little above the same weight limit. If yours has something different, more to you. But I went with the lightest I could find for everything, to include platform and sticks. Take all this out to the tree. Give our honest first impressions on how this actually feels. I feel like first couple of times I try to use this is going to be terrifying, which is fine. That's the way it goes. Good to go. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I will be a little delayed, but we're gonna get back in the groove of things shortly. All right? That. Have a great day.